Hello friends! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the easiest crochet heart ever. For this project, I'm going to be using a size 4 medium weight yarn. Mine has sparkles in it, but any color will work. But yep, it's a size 4 medium. My hook is a size 5.5 millimeters. And you'll also want a yarn needle and some scissors for this. All right, so let's get started. To start out, you're going to want to make a little slip knot. And then we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in the 4th chain from the hook, we're going to put 12 double crochets. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see my chain is opening up a bunch, but that's okay. If yours is too, just close it up. Here's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Once again, close that up if it opened up. Now, the first chain 3 is going to count as a double crochet, so with the other 12, it's like we have 13 double crochets. And you can almost stop there if you like, if you want a super tiny heart. But we're going to keep going for one more round. So now we're going to chain 1 and turn. Now I'm going to crochet over my end. It'll kind of help that little hole stay closed if yours is opening. And if not, it will just help to cover that end so that you don't have to weave it in after. So we just did a chain 1 and turn. And in that very first double crochet, we're going to do a single crochet. Oops. And a half double crochet. So those both go in that first stitch. Now in the next one, we're going to do 2 half double crochets. There's a 1 and a 2. In the next one, we will once again do 2 half double crochets. There's a 1 and a 2. In the next one, we're going to do just 1 half double crochet. And then in the next stitch, we're going to do 2 single crochets. A 1 and a 2. Now in the next one, we'll do 1 single crochet. Now in this next stitch, we're going to do 3 different stitches. We're going to do a half double crochet, a double crochet, and a half double crochet. That's going to be the little point at the bottom of our heart. Ready? Here's a half double crochet. Here's a double crochet. And a half double crochet. There we go, very good. Now working back up the other side, we're going to do 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And now 2 single crochets in the next stitch. There's a 1 and a 2. Now 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. 2 half double crochets in the next 2 stitches. So here's a 1 and a 2 for that one, and now a 1 and a 2 for that one. Now in our very last stitch, that'll be the top of that beginning chain 3, we're going to do a half double crochet and then a single crochet. So here's a half double and a single in that same place. And that is it. Now I'm going to show you how to finish it off to increase that little shape of your heart. So now we're going to cut the end of our yarn and pull this out. Now we're going to thread our yarn needle, and let's take a look here. You can see where the yarn is coming out, there's a little loop there. We're going to skip that loop and go down into the next little loop that we see. Pull our yarn down through there. That kind of helps our little heart to like curl around there. Now we're going to flip it over, and you can bring it down another little loop that you see. Just pull it on down. And what I like to do is run my yarn through the bottom of the beginning double crochets to really hide it and secure it. So I run it just through the bottoms of those little double crochets before I cut my yarn. And that is it. Was that the easiest crochet heart you've ever made? I think so. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hit subscribe if you want to see more from me. Bye.